there, I'm Rami from Ledger, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Ledger Recover using Ledger Live Mobile. Ledger Recover is a secure digital backup service for your secret recovery phrase. This means if you ever lose your phrase, you can still recover your private keys using your Ledger Recover ID. If you're worried about losing it, Ledger Recover is here for you. It's an optional subscription service, not enabled by default. In this video, I'm going to cover everything you need to know about setting up Ledger Recover service. So, let's get started. You're going to need your Ledger device and your smartphone with the Ledger Live app downloaded. If you haven't set up your Ledger device, you can watch the relevant How to Set Up Your Ledger Device tutorial. If you need to download the app, you can find it on the App Store or Play Store. If you already have it and your device is set up, just make sure both are updated. Let's start setting up Ledger Recover by finding it on Ledger Live and choose Ledger Recover from the options. Right now, your first month is free. Then, you'll see the sign-up page, which explains some of the key features and benefits. After the terms and conditions, and if you're happy, click Start Your Free Trial. Next, check whether Ledger Recover is available in your country and for your device. The first step is to select the country or region of your billing address. If the service is available, click Let's Go, and we'll move on to creating your login. Then, you'll need to verify your email, and your login is created. If you already bought a Ledger Recover subscription via ledger.com, this is where you should enter the code you received. If not, you can skip ahead. Next, you'll need to pay for your Ledger Recover subscription. You'll be prompted to add your card details and can review the information. You can cancel your subscription 3 days before billing to avoid being charged. Now that's complete, we can move on. Let's run through the ID verification process now. You'll need a passport, driver's license, or state-issued ID, depending on where your document was issued. The ID used should match the selected region and document you chose in the subscription step. Now, you can start the verification process, which is provided by Onfido. You'll need to pass some visual and audio checks to confirm your identity, which will take around 5 minutes. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email. At this point, you've signed up for Ledger Recover, and it's time to secure the digital backup of your secret recovery phrase. When you activate Ledger Recover, your Ledger device encrypts the entropy of your secret recovery phrase. The entropy is a string of random ones and zeros from which your phrase is computed. Then, this encrypted entropy is fragmented into 3 pieces within the secure element chip in your Ledger device. Your Ledger then sends the encrypted fragments to 3 separate and independent companies that store them using hardware security modules. To start this encryption process, you need to connect your Ledger device via Ledger Live. You'll then see the encryption, fragmentation, and distribution processes. This will take a couple of minutes, and you should keep your Ledger device connected to Ledger Live throughout. Once completed, you'll see the success screen in Ledger Live. Ledger Recover is now active, and the setup is complete. In this video, we covered all the steps involved in setting up Ledger Recover. If you want to review a specific step, you can scroll through the chapters below. Thanks for watching this Ledger tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or comments, let us know. Till next time, stay secure.